Action cameras have come a long way, capturing breathtaking moments with incredible clarity. But when it comes to the titans of the action camera world, it's a fierce battle. The Insta360 X4 versus the GoPro Hero 12. The X4 boasts innovative 360-degree capture and groundbreaking stabilization, while the Hero 12 reigns supreme in video quality and versatility. In this showdown, we'll delve deep into their key features, compare their performance in various scenarios, from underwater adventures to high-speed chases, and ultimately help you decide which camera is the perfect fit for your action-packed lifestyle. So, grab your gear, and let's dive into the world of action cameras. Design and build quality. Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 is designed with a sleek, vertical, elongated build, making it easy to hold for 360-degree filming. Its compact form factor and smooth finish give it a futuristic feel, and it's designed to work well with the thumb-driven controls. The camera has a water resistance rating that protects it up to a certain depth, making it suitable for light water activities. The dual-lens design allows for 360-degree filming, with the lenses protruding slightly, which may require careful handling to avoid scratches. GoPro Hero 12 Black. In contrast, the GoPro Hero 12 Black maintains GoPro's iconic design with a compact, rugged, and more square-shaped build. It has a waterproof rating up to 10 meters, 33 feet, without additional housing, making it more suitable for underwater activities and extreme sports. The Hero 12 Black is slightly smaller and more durable, fitting well with GoPro's long-standing emphasis on adventure sports. It's built for rugged conditions and features a dual-screen design, front and back, for easy framing and vlogging. Camera and image quality. Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 focuses on capturing immersive 360-degree video and photos. With dual lenses and a high-resolution 6K shooting mode, the X4 is capable of capturing sharp and detailed 360-degree footage. The camera provides users with unique perspectives, such as reframing options and creative effects, and is well-suited for users who want to experiment with VR and immersive content. In good lighting, the X4 performs well with solid color accuracy, though low-light performance may introduce some noise due to the smaller sensor size. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black, while not a 360-degree camera, is optimized for traditional action footage with a 5.3K recording at up to 60 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, delivering sharp and vivid videos. The Hero 12 Black includes HDR for improved color and dynamic range, resulting in balanced colors and improved detail in highlights and shadows. It excels in low-light situations for an action camera, providing clear footage with reduced noise. With GoPro's advanced HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, footage is buttery smooth even in high-motion situations, making it ideal for capturing extreme action scenes. Stabilization and video modes. Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 uses flow-state stabilization to keep footage smooth, which is essential for 360-degree videos where camera shake can be highly noticeable. It offers horizon lock for stable, level footage regardless of camera angle, ensuring that even high-motion shots look stable. The X4's unique shooting modes, such as time shift and bullet time, allow users to create creative, dynamic effects that would be challenging to achieve with other action cameras. These effects, along with the 360-degree functionality, make the X4 an exciting choice for users looking for unique angles and creative content. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black features HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, which is widely considered one of the best stabilization systems in action cameras. The stabilization works across various resolutions and frame rates, ensuring that even high-intensity sports scenes are smooth and stable. The Hero 12 Black also includes horizon lock, which keeps the footage level even as the camera rotates, a feature useful for activities like mountain biking or surfing. While it lacks the 360-degree versatility of the X4, the Hero 12 excels in traditional action shots with consistent, high-quality results. Battery life and performance. Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 includes a swappable battery design, with each battery lasting around 60 to 80 minutes, depending on resolution and usage. Battery life can be extended by keeping recording settings lower, though 360-degree recording generally drains the battery faster. The X4's smaller form factor means the battery size is slightly limited, so users may want to carry extra batteries for extended shooting sessions. Additionally, Insta360's fast charging capability helps offset the shorter battery life, making it convenient for on-the-go content creators. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black features the new Enduro battery, which improves cold weather performance and extends usage time compared to previous GoPro models. It provides around 70 to 100 minutes of battery life when recording in 4K and up to 90 minutes in 5.3K resolution under ideal conditions. The battery life of the Hero 12 Black is generally better suited for extended recording sessions, especially when using lower resolutions. The camera also supports fast charging, making it easier to quickly top up during breaks. Software, editing, and ecosystem. Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 offers a powerful editing suite with the Insta360 app, which allows users to reframe 360-degree footage, add effects, and easily create shareable clips. The app's AI-powered editing features, such as Shot Lab, offer a range of creative templates for content creation. Additionally, Insta360 Studio provides more advanced editing tools for those who prefer desktop editing. The camera's 360-degree format may require more time and skill in post-production, but the flexibility in reframing and effect options makes it worthwhile for creators who value versatility. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black integrates well with the GoPro Quick app, which offers robust editing tools, including auto-generated edits and effects. The app allows users to easily transfer, edit, and share footage, and its subscription plan offers added features like cloud storage and automatic uploads. The Hero 12 Black is also compatible with GoPro's vast ecosystem of accessories and mounts, making it easier to find the right tools for various activities. For users seeking a straightforward workflow with minimal editing, the Hero 12's traditional camera format may be more convenient compared to the 360-degree format of the X4. Conclusion. Insta360 X4 is ideal for users who prioritize immersive 360-degree video and want the flexibility of creative post-production. The X4 provides a range of unique shooting modes and reframing options that make it perfect for users who want to create VR and interactive content. GoPro Hero 12 Black is better suited for action sports enthusiasts and traditional videographers who need high-quality action footage with top-tier stabilization. Its rugged build, impressive HDR quality, and strong battery life make it an excellent choice for capturing high-adrenaline sports and outdoor activities.
The Insta360 X4 and GoPro Hero 12 are both exceptional action cameras, each with its own unique strengths. The X4 excels in 360-degree capture and creative freedom, while the Hero 12 delivers unmatched video quality and versatility. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs and priorities. Whether you prioritize immersive 360-degree footage or the highest possible image quality, both cameras offer a thrilling way to capture your adventures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech content. See you in the next one.